Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, from this deck, and I'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that cards will relate to your career situation. These are for your general energies, and this is for your career situation, Capricorn, and this is for your relationship. And we'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle deck. So we will turn the cards now for your daily energies, guys. The Empress in reverse, the World in reverse, Seven of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that you are thinking deeply about your achievements, whatever you had till now, and whatever is the path you need to proceed now further. So whatever choices you have to make, you are thinking about all that. That is what I see here. And maybe some of you may be getting a truth in certain situations. Maybe in your work, you would have had some confusions, or this may relate to your relationship also, guys. You would have had some doubts about this person or some kind of confusions, but you are able to find out the truth, guys. Find out what is the truth. Some secrets are being revealed to you. You are getting understanding. Maybe some happy news, guys, are coming your way. That is what I see here. Maybe some friends or family or a common friend, they are coming with that knowledge about that a secret, whatever it is. So that is what I see here, guys. And you are celebrating something. Maybe you were really disturbed about that confusion. You had some doubts, and after knowing this truth, you are simply happy. It is what you expected and you are happy for it. That is what I see here. So for your oracle guidance regarding your career situation, guys, blessed. So with this card here, guys, the energy for your career situation, whatever is your situation, guys, you are having that sense of gratitude and you feel happy for how things are going. So something unexpected and unearned, you never expected and you never put in efforts for that such gifts. So you are getting some rare opportunities today in your work. Some difficulties that you had been facing in your life till now, so all that is just going to disappear and you are feeling really blessed for it. Some just like flick of the wand, magic wand, things are just, whatever is obstructing you is just going to disappear today, and you're feeling really blessed today, guys, in your career. So whatever opportunities you need, that is coming towards you. That is what I see here, Capricorn. So for your relationship, round and round. So with this card, guys, the energy, maybe sometimes in your life you feel that certain things are repeating. Maybe the situation with this person, you may think, how did I get here? The same things are happening again and again, and your past experiences, maybe that is repeating today, the same story. So you need to understand, guys, you are the common thing in your past experience and today. So you have to change yourself, how you behave in this particular situation. So when you have that understanding, when you are able to change your behavior, you will be able to break this cycle. So this when you learn that lesson, what you need to do in your situation, you will get that clarity and you will break away from the cycle of going again and again. So instead of blaming that other person, you have to have that curiosity to understand your situation, and when you do that, you will know what is your action. When you take that action, you will be breaking away from this repetitive cycle in your relationship, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance for you all, Capricorn. So friendship, that is the angel guidance here. So with this card, guys, in whatever situations we are in our work situation or in our personal life, we have to go in for that sharing, guys. We can speak what we have, the dreams, the achievements, goals, even sadness, worries, whatever we can share with friends and family. When we do that, we will not feel alone. We will feel nurtured and we will have that sense of belonging. So we need to do that with our friends or with this person. When we do that, we encourage that other person also to come out with their feelings, with their experiences, and it will help us to heal ourselves, and we will build a great understanding in that relationship, guys. So that is the oracles, the angels message for you all, Capricorn, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.